Yeah, hello everyone, all my excellencies. Hope you're all doing great today. Now, today we want to look at moving, copying the content of a cell. Moving and copying the content of a cell. Now, this is more akin to cut and paste, which is moving, and then copying and pasting. So, there are several ways we work when we're in different environments. I want to see how we can actually carry out cutting and pasting and then copying and pasting in Excel. Now, ordinarily, if I have, say, this data in my cell, I can easily right click, then I see cut it and move it to a new location, or copy to reproduce, to duplicate what I have in that cell. But let's see how we can actually get it done more efficiently in Excel. Now, moving, let's start with moving the content of a cell in Excel. You can actually do that fairly easily. And I come to either the active cell or a selection, whether it's an active cell or in a selection. If I place my mouse pointer on the border of the active cell, you can see that four-headed arrow. So if I want to move the content of that cell to a new location, just simply click, hold down, then I drag it to the new location, like so. Fairly easy. See, it's quite relatively easy compared to copy or cutting. We're taking too many steps that way. This I just click, hold down, drag, move it to the new location. That's a more efficient way to get it done in Excel. Now, the same thing we did here, you can actually use that same method to actually create a copy or duplicate the content of that cell, so to say, in Excel. So to get that done, I place my mouse pointer on the border also, same thing, but this time around I hold down the control key. Now when I hold down the control key, notice small plus sign appearing just next to my mouse pointer. So I hold down the control key and I drag and move it to the new location. I release the mouse button while still holding down the control key. Take note, I release the mouse button first, so the control key will be the last thing I release. And by so doing, I have created a copy of that cell. I've created a copy of the data in that cell. So that's just easy. It's just an easy way to get it done. This is just an easy way to get it done in Excel. Fairly efficient, fast. Okay, don't need to take multiple steps. Ordinarily, if I wanted to get that done, if I want to cut, I can come here, click on cut. Okay, click cut. Then I go to the new location, right click, and I say paste. Okay, that moves it. Or I could have, if I want to create a copy of this, come here, right click, and I say copy. Then I go to the new location where I want it duplicated, and I click on paste. Okay, that duplicates it. So instead of doing that in Excel, you just drag and drop it. Or if I want to create a copy, I hold down the control key and drag it and drop it that way. Fairly easy. So that's how we can actually get it done fairly easily in Excel. So that's all for this lesson. See you in the next class. Don't forget to engage me in the comment section, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.